Hi, today we are going to see about the global positioning system in satellite communication. Global positioning system. The global positioning system is a satellite based navigation system that can be used to locate positions anywhere on Earth. GPS receivers take information transmitted from the satellites and uses triangulation to calculate a user's exact location. GPS is used on incidents in a variety of ways, such as to determine position locations, to navigate from one location to another, to create digitized maps, to determine distance between two points or how far you are from another location. In this, the space segment consists of satellite orbiting the Earth. The space segment consists of 29 satellites circling the Earth every 12 hours at 12,000 miles in altitude. This high altitude allows the signals to cover a greater area. The satellites are arranged in their orbits so as a GPS receiver on the Earth can receive a single from at least 4 satellites at any given time. Each satellite contains several atomic clocks. In segment, the control segment tracks the satellites and then provides them with corrected orbital and time information. The control segment consists of 5 unmanned monitor stations and one master control station. The 5 unmanned stations monitor GPS satellite signals and then send that information to the master control station where anomalies are corrected and sent back to the GPS satellite through ground antennas. User segment. The GPS receives owned by civilians and military. The user segment consists of the users and their GPS receivers. The number of simultaneous users is limitless. How does GPS determines a position? The GPS receiver uses the following information to determine a position. Precise location of satellites. When a GPS receiver is first turned on, it downloads orbit information from all the satellites called an almanac. This process the first time can take as long as 12 minutes, but once this information is downloaded, it is stored in the receiver's memory for future use. Distance from each satellite's two modes. In this technique, the GPS receiver calculates the distance from each satellite to the receiver by using the distance formula, that is, distance equal to velocity into time. The receiver already knows the velocity, which is the speed of a radio wave, or 186 miles per second, that is speed of light. The last one is triangulation to determine position. In this, the receiver determines position by using triangulation. When it receives signals from at least 3 satellites, the receiver should be able to calculate its approximate position, that is a TD position. So that is a 2D position. The receiver needs at least 4 or more satellites to calculate a more accurate 3D position. Using a GPS receiver, there are several different models and types of GPS receivers are available in the market. It can be chosen under the following categories. When working on an incident with a GPS receiver, it is important to always have a compass and a map, have a GPS downloader cable, have extra batteries, know memory capacity of the GPS receiver to prevent loss of data, decreases accuracy of data, and other platforms. Using a GPS receiver, use an external antenna whenever possible, especially under tree canopy, in canyons, or while flying or driving. Set up GPS receiver according to incident or agency standard regulations. Coordinate system. Take notes that describe what you are saying in the receiver. So this is the global positioning satellite system. In this topic we see about how to use GPS and what is GPS and how the GPS calculates the location. Thank you.